There were thousands who gathered, and there were 650 people who were given passes to have a photo op with Jonathan Urping, the Jesus in the chosen. Amidst that very long line. But when I was there, face to face with a man, it was all smiles. He was so accommodating. He was so friendly, and I really saw Jesus in him. And I felt, wow. And he put his hands on my side and we took a picture. I gave my phone to the photographer. Meron pang dalawang photographer. Ang daming pindot nung umawak ng phone ko. So I was excited. Ang daming pictures yun. But when I went out, I had one picture. And you know what my reflection is? Jesus, the real Jesus, He's accommodating, He's loving, He's merciful, He's gracious to us. But we also have to remember that we have only one shot in this life. We have one life to live. And are you going to make the most out of that one shot? So make every day, every feast, every waking day of your life an encounter with Jesus. Because you'll never know when the one shot will end this life.